Hey, green thumbs! It's August, and if you want your organic garden to thrive this fall, now's the time to get moving. I know late summer can feel overwhelming, but I've got you covered with 4 essential tasks to set your garden up for a bountiful, pesticide-free harvest. Ready to turn your backyard into an autumn oasis? Let's dig in. First up, give your soil some love. After a busy summer, your beds are hungry for nutrients. Pull out spent crops and weeds, but leave the roots of healthy plants to feed your soil life. Spread a thick layer of organic compost, homemade or bagged, plus a sprinkle of natural amendments like worm castings or aged manure. Gently mix it in with a garden fork. This boosts fertility for your fall veggies and keeps your soil ecosystem thriving. No synthetic fertilizers needed. Why? Healthy living soil is the secret to strong roots and pest-resistant plants. Your fall crops will thank you with bigger, tastier harvests. Next, it's time to plant those cool season veggies. August is prime time for starting. Broccoli, kale, Swiss chard, cauliflower, cabbage, collard greens. Sow seeds directly or transplant seedlings. Just check your zone's first frost date and count backwards for perfect timing. Why? Planting now ensures your crops mature before cold weather hits, so you'll enjoy fresh greens long after summer's gone. Now for a little garden tidying. Remove any diseased or pest-ridden plants. Don't compost these, trash them instead. Clear out debris but leave healthy plant material or flowering herbs for beneficial insects. Rake beds smooth and top with a fresh layer of mulch to lock in moisture and suppress weeds. Why? A clean, well-mulched bed prevents disease and gives your fall crops a healthy start. Plus, it keeps your garden looking sharp. Here's a pro move: succession planting. As summer crops finish, immediately replant those spaces with fast-growing fall veggies, like radishes, spinach, or lettuce. Stagger plantings every 2 or 3 weeks for a steady harvest well into autumn. Why? Succession planting maximizes your garden's productivity and keeps your kitchen stocked with fresh, organic food. Don't forget, order your garlic and fall bulbs now for October planting. Keep an eye on early frosts and have row covers ready. Compost everything you can. Your soil will love it. If you found these tips helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more organic gardening wisdom. Drop your favorite fall crop in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're growing. Subscribe for more organic gardening magic.